Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a BOXYCHARM unboxing. So guys, in this box there is over $125 worth of product and I paid $25 for it. So it comes every month, and then every 3 months I get a BOXYLUXE box, which is an additional, I think it's $25 or something. And BOXYCHARM used to be $21 a month, and then they upped it to $25. So this is my box for July 2020, and I wanted to open it for you guys, show you what I got inside, and let's see what's happening. Looks like the theme this month is sunshine, which is ironic because that is my nickname from my mom. And inside we have a plethora of product that we are going to be going through. So the first thing I'm going to be pulling out is this. It's a color switching pan. Let's look at this. We have a color switching pan, and I love these because you can use them to switch between colors if you're using a brush that you really like, and the sponge is really dense, so it gets like all of the product off. And this is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, and this retails for $20, which is ironic because I already have a shadow switching pan that looks really similar to this, and I paid $1 at the dollar store. So $20 for this. So next thing I'm going to pull out of the box is this. It's a Hank & Henry liquid lipstick, it looks like, maybe, or it says satin matte lipstick. Let's find out. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that is really pretty. Ooh, what? Okay, how does this? Oh, hello. So you press a button. Oh wow, that is so cool. And then it's like sparkly. It has like glitter in it. Wow, that is insane. That is really cool. So this Hank & Henry, it is called the Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. It says, love your lips with Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. I feel like I'm saying, she sells seashells by the seashore. The luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips, and it is encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. The formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. Okay, creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. That's interesting. Let's see. It says it dissolves as you put it on. So let's see what it looks like. Do these come in more than one color? Because that's brown. I hope it would come in more than one color, but it doesn't say what color it comes in. This retails for $17. Okay, so we have this guy right here. This is the Hourglass Arc Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Oh, it's teeny tiny. So it is an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes. Am I missing something here? Like, how does this work? Oh, and it comes with a little spoolie. So it's supposed to do hair-like strokes. So hair-like strokes. So let's see here. Ooh. I do like how it's like really precise, which it says that it's supposed to be. And this retails for $28. Whoa, $28 for Hourglass brow pencil. Okay, guys. Okay, so we have this, and then I have like a little foamy flat thing that we'll get into after we take a look at this one. It looks like it came a little bit damaged, like the packaging. Okay. So this is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Booster, watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. I love the packaging. I love like the ombre blue. That is so pretty. And this comes from Clean Skin Club. It's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea that come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. The Vitamin C Brightening Booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. MSRP is $49.95, and this is cruelty-free and vegan. That makes me happy. Last thing in the box is under this flabby here. It's very shiny. This is the Pure Festival Palette. Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12-piece pigmented palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking, light-reflecting formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transitional shades. Packaging is really pretty on this. This is cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. And then here are the shades in here. Very pretty. A lot of the glitter shades, like, they look very glittery. Like they have glitter in them instead of it being like more of a fine milled like foil formula. Like this one here. It is a very pretty color scheme. Especially the Turn It Up one is really calling to me. This is going to be interesting to play with. Like, as I'm touching it, this color right here, it's called VIP Pass. It's the black color. It's really, really soft. Almost like it just, maybe it didn't get pressed into the pan all the way. I don't know. I figured while I'm doing this, we might as well get some swatches in. Yeah, it's very soft and crumbly. So if you can see here, very soft and crumbly, but the color is pretty. It has almost like a green undertone into it. Creamy on application too. Very pigmented. I want to try this purple one. Just to, you know. Ooh, that one's like iridescent. I am going to swatch Turn It Up, which is this one here. It's like a bright, almost pink color. Like pinky red. And it does swatch really, really well. I'm not noticing like super, super patchiness, and yeah, that is swatching really, really nicely. I also want to swatch this one here. It's called Euphoric, and the reason why I want to swatch it is because it feels like it looks really glittery. Like it doesn't look very milled, but when you actually touch it, it is. It almost feels like a super shock shadow in some ways, and there it is. It's like very... Hopefully you guys can see this on camera. It's kind of like reflective, but I wasn't expecting it to be creamy. I was expecting it to be more of a gritty, nitty, you know, type of formula. So this smells funny. This will be really fun to play with when I get a chance to play with it. Actually, I will probably do a full tutorial, like a 3-in-1 look with the Pure palette for those who actually received it in their BOXYCHARM. So stay tuned for a video on that. The Pure Cosmetics palette retails for $36 MSRP. So now it is time to add up everything and see how much my box was worth. The total of my box comes to $150.95. Now, I am going to say I am a little bit disappointed that I didn't get something else in my box. I definitely think that the one product that I'm super disappointed in is the color switching pan. $20 for this thing, and it was included in my box. I kind of feel like it was just a waste of space. I would never pay $20 for a shadow switching pan when I can get literally the exact same one at the dollar store for $1. Let me show you. So on my channel a million times you guys have seen me use this shadow switching pan. This is the one that I got from the dollar store for $1. And this is what it looks like inside, and this is what the packaging looks like. Fairly identical to the one that's $20 that I just received in my BOXYCHARM box, even down to the aluminum case. And I do notice that the sponge is a little bit denser, but overall, these two look very comparable. They look almost the same. So knowing that one of these is $20 and one of these is $1, I'm thoroughly disappointed that they would put something like this in my BOXYCHARM. Yeah, that's the only product that I'm like super disappointed with is this shadow switching pan. So guys, there you have it, my BOXYCHARM from July 2020, and I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up it and subscribe to the channel so you can see the 3 looks, 1 palette with the Pure Festival 2.0, and I will see you guys later. Bye!